Well, so this is the linear regression algorithms codes. Okay, so I will now save this notebook, save this file as codes for linear regression algorithm. Well, so this is saved. Okay. Now I will write the codes for decision tree machine learning algorithm, and for that I have to open another file, new file. Okay, so new notebook. Okay, the kernel will be same. That is Python 3 IPy kernel. That is IPy kernel. I can set my own kernel as well, but I am now working in this kernel, so it's okay. Okay. So it is written in this environment. So I can set my own kernel as well. That is, I can set my new environment as my kernel as well. But I am now doing it in this kernel, so it's fine. Well, so for codes for decision tree ML machine learning algorithms, it's like that. So at first, for that I have to importing the libraries. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Now import numpy as nm. Import numpy as nm. Okay, so import numpy nm. Then import matplotlib.pyplot as mtp. You can import matplotlib.pyplot as plt as well, whatever that you will use. You have to write it here like this, like that. So matplotlib dot pyplot as MTP.
Again import pandas, that's PD.
That's fine. PD adds PD. Okay. Now shift plus enter.
Okay, now I have to import the data set. So I haven't written the data set. I'm just showing the course how to write. So you have to just you have to create a data set .csv file, that is comma separated variables. So file, it is CSV file. .csv files are basically, CSV files are basically the text file that has a comma separated structured data set. Okay, so that's pretty simple. So I haven't created any CSV file here, the data set files here. You have to just create data sets and put it here as I am writing. I'm just showing the codes how to write, how you can write, you will write. Okay, that's fine. So let's just write the code. So data set, let's just define the data set. Now data set equals now PD, so panda. So I have to just read the data sets. Okay, so I'll just use the pandas, that is PD dot read underscore CSV, since it is a CSV file.
PD dot read, so it will read the data underscore okay. So okay, wait CSV. Okay, so I can take the okay, this is CSV file. Now in the bracket you have to write the name of the CSV file.
Suppose the name of the CSV file is, let's call it dt, the data set underscore data dot CSV. It's like that. You can write it like this.
Okay. Whatever you have to write the name of the CSV file here. Okay, that's fine. Now you can clearly see that since I haven't mentioned any CSV file here, so it's just showing this the module has no attribute related to CSV. So you have to just, what you have to do, you have to just put your CSV file's name here that you created, and you will do accordingly. The code will be same. Okay. Yeah.
Now extracting. Now I have to extract the independent and dependent variables. Okay. I have to extract extracting a dependent and independent variables. Okay. Okay, dependent. So independent dependent variables. Okay, that is x and y. X is the independent variable rather, and y will be the dependent variable since y will be the function of x. Okay. Extracting our dependent and independent variables. So x and y, x would be like this. Suppose x, then y. So let's start writing x equals data underscore set dot ILOC data underscore set data underscore set ILOC so it will be ILOC data underscore set dot ILOC within third bracket colon again third bracket okay dot values dot values here also it will be dot not dot so it will be colon 4 okay then dot values here after colon comma, again here it will be comma again, so it will be dot values. Okay, that's fine, nice. Now then feature scaling. Okay, now here from sklearn dot I have to import standard scaler. From sklearn dot pre-processing I have to import standard scaler. From sklearn learn dot pre-processing from sklearn dot pre-processing, pre-processing, that's fine. Import standard scaler. Okay, so that's the idea. From that's the code from sklearn dot pre-processing, yeah, import standard scaler. Okay, fine. Now st underscore x equals standard scaler standard scaler. Well, st underscore x equals standard scaler xtrain xtest. xtrain dot fit transform xtrain equals st underscore x dot fit underscore transform st underscore x dot fit underscore transform xtrain. So xtrain equals st underscore x dot fit underscore transform xtrain. Then it will be x test, one is train data and another is test data, so two things will be there. So now x train I have written, now I will write x test okay. Now x test equals st underscore x, that's fine, dot transform st underscore x dot transform x test. X test. Okay, so this is how you can write the codes of decision tree machine learning algorithms. That's fine. Now you can also here you can plot import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT as well. Okay, and here you have to just put your CSV file. So I haven't put my CSV file here, so that's why it's showing it and nothing else. And but the code will be same. Okay, so this is how you will write the codes of decision tree algorithm, machine learning algorithms. So this is how you have to write it. And now let's save it as codes for decision tree algorithm. Okay, codes for decision tree algorithms. Okay. Just write it DTML machine learning algorithm. Okay. Yeah, so that's the idea. So you have to, so I have written, so I have shown codes for two machine learning algorithms. One is linear regression machine learning algorithms, another is decision tree machine learning algorithms. I have written codes here, so you can check it out, and you can, you know, implement in your implement these two algorithms in your cases as well, and you can have the output. Okay. So this is the, so I have shown the two algorithms, okay, the codes, fine. Now I will add a few research papers for your reference if you want to know more little bit about these all the data, all the things that I've discussed in this entire video, that is the types of artificial intelligence, the top premium artificial intelligence technologies and their implementations, and the machine learning, the types of machine learning algorithms, machine learnings algorithm, then the types of MLs, then types of, you know, machine learning algorithms also. So I will attach several papers, several research papers, research articles published in reputed research journals across the globe for your reference. You can have even more details, even more information, or you can learn from those data, from those papers rather. I'll put those research papers for your reference, for the reference, and as a reference, and you can go through those research papers as well. Okay, so the reference research papers I'll be I'll be adding later on. I will add now actually. Okay. I will add all the research papers for references, you know, for your research paper, that I want to add some research papers at the end of towards the end of the video. Okay, I will add all the research papers that I want to add for references. Okay, yeah.